Namaste, welcome to my YouTube channel The Chubby Girl. I am Arpita Giji and in this video I'll be trying those DIY hacks from 5 minute craft जो हम हमेशा से देखते आए हैं YouTube में, Facebook में, Instagram में, हर जगह। और कभी ना कभी किसी के तो मन में आया ही होगा कि ये hacks रियल लाइफ में कभी वर्क भी करते हैं कि नहीं। And to be very honest, I have never tried these DIY hacks before in my life, so whatever I'm doing, this will be my first attempt to these hacks. I really hope these works, and comment down below if you want me to do the second part of this video. Actually, it's been a while I wanted to do this video, but I have lined up with some other videos, so it was not possible to shoot. However, I am finally doing this video and I'm super excited for this. Let's see whether these hacks work or no. So without wasting any more time of yours, let's get into the video. So guys, the first DIY hack from this 5 minute craft is this colorful popcorn. जो ये दीदी बता रही है कि हम लोगों को वो कलरफुल वाले जेम्स डालो, फिर पॉपकॉर्न डालो तो हो जाएगा कलरफुल पॉपकॉर्न। मुझे तो इतना भी विश्वास नहीं है कि हैक वर्क करेगा, फिर भी हम लोगों को ट्राई करना है। चलो करते हैं। So guys, you just saw what happened there, and now I have those popcorns here. From nowhere it has any color, or we can call it as colored popcorn. But oh no guys, please don't try this hack in home. It has something flavor which cannot be described actually. No guys, no. So guys, this DIY colorful popcorn hack was a complete fail. So let's try a next hack, that is to open this tin. जो एक दीदी बता रही है कि हम लोग एक स्टिक लेंगे और इसके ऊपर ऐसे ऐसे घुमाएंगे तो ये ओपन हो जाएगा। So मेरे पास अभी स्टिक नहीं है, तो I'll adjust with this paint brush. I hope this works. So let's give a try to open this tin with this stick.
I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire.
So guys, you just saw that opening of this tin with the stick really happened. Actually, I replaced that paintbrush with pencil stick. However, guys, this hack worked. I'm really surprised, but yes, it worked. Let me drink this.
When I'm with you, I feel so much better. Oh, yeah. Before you, I was just a shell.
So the next DIY hack from 5 minute craft is to get these thin slices of onions. You will just need a fork and a knife. So let's give a try. So that hack really worked. With the fork you can really get those thin slices of onion. Even you can replace that onion with cucumber and even tomato. Definitely you will get those thin slices. I have tried it and really it worked. So moving to the next hack is to clean the beauty blender with warm water and some soap. I have to put those things in a box and you have to just shake it and you will get a clean beauty blender. So let's give a try to this. hack of cleaning this beauty blender. I have this clean beauty blender here. To be honest, it's not really cleaned, but the stains of the foundation has been cleaned to some extent. But yeah, fine, we can use this. So moving to the next DIY hack, we have DIY hot glue spoon. So ये दीदी बता रही है कि आपके पास स्पून नहीं है तो क्या हुआ, हम लोग हॉट ग्लू से एक स्पून बना लेंगे. So let's see whether we can make this spoon and we can use this or no. So guys, here I have my hot glue, it's on, and I have my spoon here. So let's try. So that glue gun spoon I have here, so let's open this now. Guys, but it's bit flexible, but for on temporary base we can use this, I guess. Yes, it works. So the next hack is that if you have a tiny amount of product left, you can use this fork and you have to put some pressure like this and you will get that product out. So let's try this. So that hack really worked, but you have to apply a bit pressure actually to take that product outside from that packaging. However, yes, it did. So moving to the next hack we have is that if you want to dry your nail polish very quickly, then you have to follow this procedure. Take a bowl and have some cold water in it, put your nail polish fingers in it and it will dry very quickly. So let's give a try to this. So I just have applied my nail polish. So let's, oh my god, it's cold. So this nail polish DIY hack didn't work for me. Actually the water was too cold and I was unable to keep my hands there for a longer time. So it might have worked if I would have kept my fingers a bit longer. Don't know, but yeah, it didn't work for me. So moving to the next DIY hack, that is to create this blue color eyeliner or any color of your choice. You just need a concealer and an eyeshadow of your choice and you can create this. So let's give a try to this now. I hope you will definitely give a try to this eyeliner DIY hack. Personally, I really liked it and trust me, it stays for a longer period of time and yes, this hack worked. So moving to the next DIY hack, that is if you have any dried up lip gloss or any liquid lipstick, then you have to put this in hot water and you will get back to its original form. So let's give a try to this. So here I have some hot water and have my liquid lipstick. So let's give a try. So here I have this liquid lipstick which was dipped in hot water for 1 minute like that. Let's open this and see. It really worked. This hack worked. A big thumbs up. Actually, I've seen somewhere that if your mascara has been dried up, even you can put that mascara in hot water and even that works. If this have worked, then mascara hack have might work. So moving to the next hack, that is to contour your nose. So ये दीदी बता रही है कि आप लोग सीधे तरीके से contour नहीं कर सकते, आप लोगों को गॉगल पहनना पड़ेगा, फिर वहां से स्लाइड करते हुए अपना नोज को contour कर सकते हैं. So let's give a try to this now. So here I have my goggles.
Oh no!
So guys, this nose contour hack is a complete fail for me. I don't know how they have did, or my goggle is big. I don't know what went wrong, but this hack a complete fail, guys, complete fail. So this DIY nose contour hack was a complete fail for me. I don't know what went wrong, but yeah, it didn't work. So moving to the next hack, that is to color your hairs. Yes guys, you heard it right. For temporary color, you can use your eyeshadow like this and you can color your hair. I am so excited. So let's give a try to this now. Guys, you just saw this DIY hack of coloring your hair. I completely love this. Man, if you have some hair setting spray, then this will last long for at least one day, I guess. Man, look at this. Oh my god. So moving to the last DIY hack of this 5-minute craft is this to get this rainbow eye look. You can achieve this eye look just by color pencils. Yes, just put those color pencils in hot water and you can create this eye look. So I really want this to happen because I love rainbow colors. So let's give a try. You just saw this rainbow eye look DIY hack and I'm totally loving this. I don't have words to express how I'm feeling. I'm just loving this. For this hack, I need to give all thumbs ups. Yeah, it really worked. So guys, that's all about this video where I have tried this DIY hacks from 5-minute craft and I totally loved them and I enjoyed doing this hacks. I hope you really liked this. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that like button and share with your friends. Let me know in the comment section which hack you liked and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.